Hello there, Chef Simon Maple with Welbilt. We're here at NRA, and today I'm going to talk to you about the Lincoln Aperion 2424. We have top and bottom fan speed, so we can adjust the fan speed depending upon what we're putting in there. We can actually have the bottom be higher and the top be lower depending on what we're doing through here. Another great feature of this comes from the factory dual voltage, so 208, 240, it doesn't matter what you have at your place, this will fit in there. Another great feature is it is ventless. How it sits right now is UL certified ventless, and we all know how expensive ventilation systems is. This can sit anywhere you want it to sit. Another great feature of it right now is we have our touchscreen down here, which we can easily change. We can change the top, the bottom fan speed, we can change the temperature, and we can change the time. Another feature, many features here, is our Lincoln's auto reversing belt. That sets us apart from everybody else. When it comes from the factory, you can go left to right, right to left. We have an auto removing door to which we can slide out this way, which means we don't have to have room on the right or the left to do cleaning. Finally, 3-year warranty on this. So all of those things combined together make the Lincoln Aperion 24 top in the class. If you have any questions about the Lincoln Aperion 24, call your local rep or dealer to get more information.